Dear students, in the previous video we have solved till question number 5 of exercise 2.6, and in this video we are going to start from the question number 6. So look here the question. Question is, the ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present age. Okay, so according to the question, here is two person, one is Hari and another one is Harry. Okay, and ratio of their ages is given here 5:7, and after it question is saying 4 years from now the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Means after 4 years, if you find out the ratio of their ages, you will get 3:4. So find their present age. Okay, so first of all write down what is given. Okay, what is given? Ratio of their ages is given. Ratio of their ages is equal to what? 5:7. Okay, so let present age of Hari be 5x and present age of Harry be 7x. Okay, now according to question, 4 years from now means after 4 years their ages will be. So after 4 years, okay, Hari age will be 5x plus 4. Okay, and Harry age will be 7x plus 4. Okay, because question is saying 4 years from now. Okay, now according to question, 4 years from now the ratio of their ages. So ratio means what? Fraction, simple fraction. Ratio of their ages means, according to question you can write it, ratio of their ages, what? 5x plus 4 by 7x plus 4 will be 3:4, means 3 by 4. Okay, now we will apply the cross multiplication method. So multiply 5x plus 4 by 4 and 7x plus 4 by 3. So right here the next step, 4 multiply 5x plus 4 and 3 multiply by 7x plus 4. Now multiply 4 into 5x 20x plus 4 4 ja 16 equal to 7 3 ja 21x plus 3 4 ja 12. Now take the similar terms together. Okay, so 20x, you can take this 21x from right hand side to the left hand side, so it becomes minus 21x, and in the right hand side we have 12, so plus 16 becomes minus 16 when you take it from the left hand side to the right hand side. Okay, so 20x minus 21x becomes minus x, and plus 12 minus 16, plus minus minus 16 minus 12, 4, and signs would be greater number minus, so you can cancel this minus, therefore x is equal to 4. Okay, hence present age of Hari is equal to 5x, so 5 into 4, 20 years, and present age of Harry is equal to 7x, means 7 into 4, 28 years. Dear students, it is the question number 7 of exercise 2.6. So look the question. Question is, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. Okay, so all of you know that the rational number is formed by numerator and denominator. Okay, so the condition is given for the numerator and denominator. First line is given here, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8, means denominator is compared by the numerator, so we have to let the numerator first. Okay, let the numerator be x, therefore the denominator be what? X plus 8, because according to question denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8, so denominator will be what? X plus 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and denominator is decreased by 1, means condition is given here, so we will write according to question. First write both the numerator and denominator in the form of rational number. Okay, so we can write x by x plus 8. Okay, now look the question. If the numerator is increased by 17, x is the numerator, so it is increased by 17, means we have to add 17 on the numerator, and the denominator is decreased by 1. Decrease means minus, so denominator is decreased by 1, so subtract here 1. Okay, now the number obtained is 3 by 2, so write here equal to 3 by 2. Okay, now calculate x plus 17 by x plus 8 minus 1, 7 is equal to 3 by 2. Apply cross multiplication method. Okay, so we will multiply x plus 17 by 2 and x plus 7 by 3. Okay, so multiply 2 into x plus 17 and 3 into x plus 7. So 2 into x, 2x, plus 2 into 17, 34. 3 into x, 3x, 3 7 ja 21. Okay, take the similar terms together, means x terms together and constant term together. So here is 2x. Take the 3x from the right hand side to the left hand side, so it becomes minus 3x, and here is 21 in the right hand side. Now take the 34 from the left hand side, so it becomes minus 34. So 2x minus 3x becomes minus x is equal to 34 minus 21. So 3 and 1 13 is becomes minus 13. So minus minus cancel and x is equal to 13. Hence, or you can say first, therefore numerator is equal to x equal to 13, denominator x plus 8 means 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. Therefore a rational number is equal to numerator by denominator means 13 by 21. Thank you.